guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be reviewing the new Huda Beauty Retrograde palette along with some other new items that I've tried out. So if you would like to see how I complete this beautiful look, then keep on watching. But before you do, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So my overall review of the Huda Beauty palette is a very beautiful palette. I believe it's the most expensive palette that she has. It retails for $67. As you can see, this is not really a fall palette. It's more like a springtime palette, but I love the colors. They're so pigmented. I love the shimmers. The shimmers are so beautiful. So her shimmers I don't really have, or if I do, it doesn't look like her shimmers. Like, they're very unique. So, you know, if you want to splurge a little bit, go ahead and buy the palette. It is expensive, so keep that in mind. I also bought the new Dior highlighter. This is number 2. I will say it is very nice. When it goes on, these two are, it seems like these two are a different formula. They're more smooth and fine milled. The other two, I believe, are a little bit chunkier. When I swatched it on my hand, it came off a little bit more chunky. This retails for $45. I got it on sale with Sephora with their 20%. But I do love this palette. It's very nice. As you can see, it's very smooth. My lashes are SLR Beauty, of course. All of my lashes are on sale at www.slrbeauty.com. First, I'm taking the P. Louise. This is rumor 1.